Hello and welcome to this video, where we will have an overview of the CYCLONE RPA product suite. This video is divided into three parts: highlights and business value of RPA, CYCLONE RPA platform, and CYCLONE RPA in practice. First, let's have a look at the highlights and business values of RPA. Before everything else, we need to know what RPA is. Robotic Process Automation, or RPA for short, is an IT innovation emerged in recent years. Its core technology is developed from automated testing tools and desktop automation technology. Based on software robots, it compiles AI and many other state-of-the-art technologies to provide companies with products and solutions to business process automation. Next, let's go through the highlights of RPA. First, RPA is classified as software robots. In contrast to hardware robots, like reception robots and cleaning robots, RPA robots mainly emulates and replaces human operations on computers, such as keyboard and mouse input, logging into a system, switching window tabs, and pasting data. RPA enables a seamless, inter-system, non-intrusive integration of different desktop softwares by capturing on-screen content, making no changes to the code or systems in use. RPA also integrates a series of technologies to automatically execute workflows, especially repetitive, heavy tasks with fixed rules. On top of all the above features, RPA can still be deployed quickly. It only takes weeks to design, develop, test, and release an automated process for large-scale practical use. RPA brings many key values to customers. First, it saves costs by liberating human employees from repetitive tasks so that they can focus on more creative or important things. In addition, robots do not need rest and can execute tasks with 100% accuracy and high efficiency. Because RPA can be deployed non-intrusively, it requires neither API nor other data interface, and can easily be updated and adapted. From the perspective of the whole enterprise, process management becomes efficient if human tasks can be handled by robots. Automated processes are fully retraceable and fulfill any compliance requirements enterprises may have. Moreover, automated processes typically require no human intervention, securing data transfer and clearance configurations. Next, we'll have a deeper look at the CYCLONE RPA suite. RPA robots can replace some human operations, which give them another name, Digital Employee. CYCLONE Digital Employee is comprised of three core parts: Designer, a development platform for automated process files; Robot, an automated business process executor; and Controller, a central management hub for robots. These three core parts may have different names across RPA companies, but their functionalities are similar. With the continuous update and extending demands, more innovative RPA products will emerge to break through the boundary of RPA capabilities. Equipped with a drag-and-drop designer, CYCLONE RPA can easily be used to automate scripts and processes. After an automated task is designed, it can be distributed to robots and executed on demand. However, a single unit of one designer and one robot is far from enough, as an enterprise commonly requires numerous robots to execute tasks. This is where Controller becomes useful. Controller monitors and manages robots by collecting process files from designers and distributing them to robots. Together, these three parts help enterprises to become digitally automated. CYCLONE RPA supports both unattended and attended automation. Unattended automation has already been seen in our daily lives. For example, if there are lots of paperwork in need of checking, RPA can do the job under most circumstances. In some other scenarios, attended automation are implemented because RPA may have difficulties dealing with processes out of designated rules. In these cases, human interactions are needed. In real working environment, there are still many steps requiring intervention from human workers. Traditionally, the interaction is limited between man and system. Now, with robots in the game, human-bot collaboration will bring new possibilities to execution patterns. Next, let's see what RPA can do in real life. RPA can be used in a wide range of industries, including finance, human resources, supply chain, IT, banking, and insurance industries. Let's have a look at a typical scenario of RPA, which happens in an insurance company. The billing department needs to classify, check, and input bills into their OA systems every month, then compile a report and send it via email. Usually, the department needs to process 1,000 to 2,000 bills every month. Traditionally, every step of this process is done by human employees, including checking, inputting, reviewing, and archiving. However, with RPA, we can recognize the bills using OCR technology, transform the information into structural data, and process the data into output files. After that, the files can be automatically put into the OA system, and the email report can also be sent by RPA robots. The only human intervention here is that the email requires manual reviewing. Note that RPA can still include human intervention. Many automation processes still require human checking at some crucial steps. In this video, we have learned about the business value and key highlights of RPA, the basic 3 CYCLONE RPA components, and how they collaborate with each other to make automation a reality. For more information on RPA and how to develop an automated process on your own, please check other videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.